today I decided to show you guys this really quick and easy makeup look, and it is perfect for school or for work. It's back to school season, everybody's going back to school or work because the holidays are over. I am personally going back to school. I'm not very happy about that, but okay. Anyway, today I decided to show you guys how to get this really quick and easy makeup look. You can really do this under less than 30 minutes or even 20 minutes. And also I'll be showing you guys how I installed this hair. This is a really nice hair, and it's from UNice Hair or UNice Hair. I don't really know how it's pronounced, but then I call it UNice Hair. I'm going to tell you guys the details of this hair as we go through this tutorial, and also I'm going to leave all the details to this hair in the description bar below. If you want to purchase it, just check out all the details. They also have other amazing hair, so you guys should definitely check that out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the video.
So like I told you guys, the hair I'll be working with today is from UNice Hair, and I'm using their curly hair. This is a frontal and is a 13x6 frontal. All the other details about this hair will be in the description box below, so make sure you check that out, and also check out their link so you see all the other hairs they have to offer. I'm using the ghost bond glue just because I want this hair to stay on for about 3 days or even more, and I went in with 2 layers. I have very detailed tutorials if you scroll down on my page, so if you want to see more in-depth tutorials, just go down and check there. And then I'm just letting this sit on my hair for some time and getting dry before I go ahead to place the wig. And I'm also using my hair dryer on the cool setting. Now I'm just cutting off the lace from this hair, and before I did all of this, I went ahead to bleach the knots, and I also plucked some of this hair. It didn't really need so much plucking, but the hairline was a little bit fuller than I wanted it to be. And so after I did all of that, I moved on to my makeup. I went in with a sunscreen. This is from Neutrogena, and then my face moisturizer and primer. You also want to use a primer that's mattifying if you have oily skin. I'm going in with my foundation. This is the Charm Ageless foundation. If you're in China and you need to get some foundation for yourself, this is my everyday foundation. You could hit me up, just leave a comment below and I'll tell you how to get to me. And then I'm going on with my LA Girl Pro concealer, and I'm going in with very little of all these, just because I don't want a cake face. This is for school. I'm not trying to be too serious. Most of the time I don't even wear makeup to school, but then on days when I just want to look glam, I would go for a look like this. I don't do too much. I'm just blending this in with my beauty blender. Once I'm done doing this, I'll go in with a setting powder just to set the parts I highlighted. And then I'm going to go in with my Charm Ageless powder. You can also get this from me, and I use the very dark shade to contour my face. Now I'm going in with my same LA Girl Pro concealer to conceal my brows, and then I'm going in for very light brows. I'm just doing something simple. Now I'm dusting off the excess powder from my face with my face powder. And after I do this, I'm just going to go ahead with setting spray just to spray my face. And then I go in with a mascara. And if you want, you could put some lashes, but then if you do not want, you go in. But then I have to put lashes because I cut off all my eyelashes. So if I don't wear lashes, I'll just look very stupid. But then I'm using very light lashes, nothing too dramatic, just something very light. And then moving on back to the hair. And yeah, I put some nude lipstick. You could use just lip gloss if you like. I use a nude lip gloss. Now I'm going on to my hair. I'm just parting it to the side because I go for middle part a lot. This time around I decided to go for a side part. And then I'm spraying some water to the hair just to bring it back to life, just to make my curls pop more and bring my hair back to life. I'm spraying some water, and after I do that, I'm also going to put some hair mousse in it. Then I'm just going to use a hot comb also to make it flat, And that's basically all I did to this hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you'll be rocking this look or you learned something, leave a comment below. Just let me know what other videos you'd like me to see. I'll be coming with a lot of more hair reviews. As you guys know, I love hair and makeup, so I will definitely not be taking that out of my channel. I wanted to start a new channel, but then I thought of it and I was like, you know what, I could just do this on my channel. So if you're not all about my hair and makeup tutorials, you could just wait for when I upload my China tutorials and watch them. So yeah, that's basically all I did. Make sure you check out UNice Hair, and I also left their website so you see other hairs that they have. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, and if you haven't clicked on the bell, like notification bell, please click on that bell so that you know every time I upload and you get notifications. Thank you.